What's up everybody? Isaac with Cultivate Supply, cultivatesupply.com, and today I'm going to be going over another one of our really cool irrigation kits that we just made. These will be on our website for sale, and it basically just simplifies all the irrigation process for you. So starting at square one, this is going to be the irrigation setup for 100 sites, right? It starts with a pump. We already have all the pieces that you're going to need. Everything's going to come all together. It's going to start with a leader pump, so this is a submersible pump. It's going to sit at the bottom of your reservoir. That we can help you size if you need. It's also going to come with one of these bottom draw pumps. This basically just allows the water to recirculate, or rather the nutrients to recirculate in that reservoir to make sure it doesn't get all stale and gross. After the pump, it's going to come with an RCal filter, and we've gone over videos of all of the different components I'm showing you as well, on how to connect them, how to maintain them, stuff like that. After the RCal filter, it's going to come with one of these FloraFlex air bleed valves, just to ensure there's no air vacuum issues. It's also going to come with 100 of these different assemblies. So that's going to include not only this full assembly, but the stakes as well, to plug them all into your plants. To plug them in, you're going to need the punch tool, which comes in this kit, and of course the tubing. With this kit, we have 3/4 currently. If you'd like to do half, it's no problem. Just let us know and we can switch that out for you. Also with this kit, again, all of the PVC fittings are going to come with it, so you don't have to figure out any of the headwork and go to the hardware store 3 times a day. That's going to be a big benefit for you. It's also going to come with a pump timer, so you can essentially just hook up the pump to this timer, set the time that you'd like it to water, and it'll just do all that automatically for you. And it's going to come with some barbed valves as well for the end of the irrigation lines. If you guys have any more questions about this kit setup, or you'd like to customize it in some way, definitely reach out to us. We'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, definitely give us a like, subscribe, and follow us for more content on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks.